Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch. Invidious, adjective, invidiously, invidiousness. Invidious describes something likely to cause resentment, offense, or unfair comparison, often by being unjustly discriminatory or offensively unpleasant, tending to provoke envy, animosity, or a sense of unfairness, an invidious distinction. Offensively or unfairly harmful, invidious criticism of a task, duty, etc., unpleasant or burdensome due to its potential to create conflict, an invidious administrative role, obsolete. Envious, resentful, now superseded by envious in modern usage. The manager faced criticism for making invidious comparisons between employees, damaging morale. The policy created an invidious distinction between part-time and full-time workers, leading to resentment. Her invidious remarks about his background were both unfair and unprofessional. The judge avoided imposing an invidious penalty that might appear biased. Invidiously, adverb. The law was applied invidiously, favoring one group while disadvantaging another. He spoke invidiously, ensuring his comments would provoke envy among his peers. Invidiousness, noun. The invidiousness of the hiring process became apparent when qualified candidates were overlooked. Critics highlighted the invidiousness of the new tax policy, which disproportionately affected low-income families. Key tips for test takers, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, and GMAT. 1. Likely question formats. Synonym selection. Invidious is close to offensive, discriminatory, envious, resentful, but context matters. It often implies unfairness. Sentence completion. The blank comparisons between the two candidates only deepened existing tensions. Correct answer, invidious. Analogies, GRE or GMAT. Invidious is to resentment as libelous is to defamation. X tends to provoke Y. 2. Common confusables. Envious, feeling jealousy, is not invidious, causing jealousy, resentment. Odious, hateful, versus invidious, unfairly offensive, both negative, but invidious implies comparative harm. Insidious, subtly harmful, is not invidious, openly unfair. 3. Relevant idioms or proverbs. Invidious comparisons, a common GRE or GMAT collocation, to draw an invidious distinction, highlighting unfair differences. 4. Test-taking strategies. Context clues. Look for words like unfair, resentment, comparison, discrimination. These often signal invidious. Elimination. If an option seems too neutral, for example, neutral, benign, it's likely wrong. GRE, GMAT focus. Expect invidious in passages about social justice, bias, or workplace dynamics. Final note. Invidious is high frequency on tests due to its nuanced negative connotation. Mastery requires distinguishing it from near synonyms like odious or envious.